Look at the ghost.
It's like, ooh, happy birthday to me.
Yeah, it's crazy. Yeah, it's cold.
Oh my gosh. It's like running down my face.
Here, hold this for a second. Film some snow. Gotta fix this
Your
thing.
camera's getting wet. Your phone is getting wet.
Sorry. I might have to take this down. You know, extreme close up.
Hello. Oh.
What happened? This is really bananas.
Oh my gosh.
The first time I ever snowed on your birthday?
Yeah. That I can recall.
Yeah.
Seriously.
Let's get inside because it's cold.
Oh my gosh. The man is still outside walking with that umbrella.
Oh.
The man with that black and white umbrella.
Hey,
He was like over here before, like when you open up the curtains and stuff. I don't know what he's still doing. Oh, yeah, that's another one. Right in the eye. Oh boy, you look funny. And you also got like a double nose.
what are you doing? Hey, look how that looks.
Oh
Alright, so get warm real quick.